Hey there, little one, and welcome to today's tutorial on the top 5 tools that you're going to need to have in your dio building kit to have your diorama come to life using 1-inch thick pink foam that you can pick up at your local Home Depot. So without further ado, let's get into what we're going to need to have in the kit. Up first, we have a metal or aluminum ruler because we're going to have to measure things. This right here is a standard 12-inch ruler, which is going to be beautiful to make your measurements. Now, you can also get yourself a yardstick also made out of metal. Reason why you want to have metal is because if you use wood or plastic, as you're cutting along the foam and the knife is grazing the edge of the ruler, it could snag, get caught, and cause you to make tiny little tears in the foam that nobody wants because it's just more work for you. So go out, get yourself a metal ruler to have in your kit. I find that the next tool in the kit allows me to not just mark the line, but make it so that if I happen to make a mistake, I can go back and correct it, because when using a permanent marker, it does not make any indentation on the foam board. I choose red and black because they tend to show up better on the pink, as I'm going to show you here right now, so you can see for yourself what I'm talking about and why I would choose to use a permanent marker as opposed to a pen or a pencil. Look at that. The red shows up great, the black even better. No indentations, and if I make a mistake, I can always go back and correct it. So that's why I choose to have a Sharpie in my kit. You may want to do the same. Sliding into our number 3 spot is the hobby knife or precision tool kit, as well as the snap-off blade utility knife. These two products that can be picked up at Home Depot or Lowe's or even Wally World provide a very specific purpose, which is that they allow us to cut a clean line in our foam board. Now remember, you always want to keep your tools sharp so you can get that clean line in your foam board to make your life as a diorama builder that much sweeter, easier, and pleasing to you. Yeah, just keep your knife sharp. Keeping things together on our dio, we're going to have ourselves some PVC or water-based glue. It could be Elmer's, it could be Mod Podge, it could be any of the brands that you choose to have, but you've got to have a way of keeping your dio together. So glue is the next basic tool in our kit. The last item in our basic dio building kit is a twofer, and the first part happens to be paint, acrylic-based paint. It comes in many different colors and even finishes. Right here you've got matte, gloss, metallic, and you have a wondrous selection of colors to choose from to bring out your imagination and have your diorama pop. Now you can pick up your craft paint anywhere craft supplies are sold. This particular brand I picked up at Walmart, but you can also go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby. The second part of this tool happens to be a paintbrush because you got to have a way to apply the paint to your diorama. So paintbrushes come in different sizes, thicknesses. They come in 1, 2, 3, or a whole bag. Paintbrush, number 5 for your basic kit. So there you have it, the top 5 tools that every dio builder needs to have in their kit. I hope this video has been helpful to you. So please, if it has been, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And by all means, tap that bell so that you can be notified when the next video uploads for our little diorama building series world thing that we got going on here, peoples. So until next time.